What's going on, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Garage Edition. Today we will be putting sway bar link ends on the Super Ram. Why am I doing this? Let me show you. Here's one of the reasons why. Now, on here, my sway bar broke. Sway bar link broke, sorry. So, I went ahead and ordered a new one. Now, it might have been a little bit like distressed. It might have been weak. Plus, when I put the leveling kit, it might have stressed it out a little bit and broke it more. So, we're going to take this off, both sides. I'm only going to video this one side because, well, both sides are exactly the same. So, I'm going to take this off and bolt a new one up. So, let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so the tools that we'll be using today, we've got the wrench, the ratchet, sorry, 17 socket. Now, if yours came with it, it might be off, it depends, because if you're replacing it, basically it's probably really old. We're going to have a little keyway that goes here, so we'll have to remove that from the old one if it still has it on there. It might not have it, it might just be this one has a new one on it. So we got a lock washer, which is always good. Got this, so let's take the old one off and then put this on there. So, and we got our other one for the other side. This was about 15 bucks on eBay. Not a brand name, but it'll do the job. It'll be better than the broken one we have. So let's go ahead and take the old one off. This is a whole lot better if the truck is off, but it's not. In fact, I think these are a different size. It is, and of course my toolbox is off. This 17 will only go to this. This right here is different. Both of these are. So, and don't have a keyway, so ours does, so that's better. I feel like that's a little bit better to have a keyway, that way it won't come out. So, let's find the right one we need. Okay, that one is a 15. Oh. So we can bring it loose. Hopefully. Alright, well that's going to turn, so we'll have to get that. That one's a bigger one. I'll have to get my hammer because it's in an awkward position. Alright. Luckily this one ain't turning, so. Alright, so got this one off. Down here, it has this piece right here. It looks like you can put a ratchet on it. You can. I thought that's how it had to come off. You just got to hit it with a hammer, and I mean hit it, and it comes out. So that's what broke. That's why we're replacing it. This is a 17. The other one was actually 2 sizes, so this one's the same. Oh, so they make it easy for you. You know Dodge ain't gonna make nothing easy for you. Alright. So we'll put this up. It even gives you this so you can hold it with the actual wrench instead of like vice grips like I had to, so that's always a plus. So when we get the wrench, it would have been nice if I actually had the wrench out and ready to go, but that would have been too professional. Way too professional. Too professional for this channel. Alright, so let's go ahead and put it down in the hole before I do anything. So, got the screw. Alright. I hope that fits. I hope that fits. Looks like the same size, just the threads aren't long. Hopefully it takes it on up there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It fits. There you go, a little more. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the little video. I'm going to do the other side now. Kind of got on my nerves I couldn't get that. The nut has slots in it for a keyway, which it goes through. You got your bolt, has a hole through it. You put it through. The nut, it goes through. It goes through the nut opening. Looks like a little crown. Through the bolt to the other side of the crown. With this one, you have through the crown, through the bolt. Won't go through the other side. I had to take the key, split it open, and get and still barely fit. So the crown wasn't built right. They didn't open it right for it. So I guess that's why you shouldn't buy eBay parts and stuff. Like I would go and buy like Moog and stuff again if these ever break, which probably will. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten everything up. I did tighten that up as good as I could without like breaking it and hitting it with a hammer, so it won't back off now or anything. So I'm going to tighten together, and now it has a lock washer on it, so it ain't going to go nowhere after I tighten it. So it should be good to go. I'm going to do the other side. The only thing, these trucks, Dodge Rams, like the second gen, I don't know about the first gen, but the second gen, at the very end of the frame in front where sway bar bolts up, water will collect there and eventually rust out. My other side is actually rusted out. So I was talking to my cousin, he said they make a kit that you can like just bolt up and weld it on. Well, I can't find it. So if I can't find it, I'm going to make my own. I'll get the metal and stuff. They said, I can't find it, but they said there was a metal shop around here somewhere. Hopefully there is. Because I'm going to get the metal, and I suck at welding, but I'll eventually get better. I'm going to weld it up. That way, it'll all be welded, and we'll rhino liner and everything. It'll look real good. So I'll definitely do that, because I don't want my sway bars or anything, because it's my daily driver, so I don't want it too modified. But I want everything heavy duty, or OEM or better. That's what I want to do. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video of me getting aggravated at some cheap ass sway bar link ends. I guess that's why they were like $14, I think. So make sure you press the subscribe button. This is George, and I'm out of here.